Hello and welcome to Pandora Astrology's monthly horoscope for Aries. I'm Julia Mijas.
And I'm Jamie Kale Miller. And by the way, Aries, if this is your sun sign, your birthday is approaching. It'll be upon us before you even know it. And if you haven't scheduled your annual birthday reading yet, there's still time to do it before your birthday, which is definitely the most powerful time to do it so that you can ritualize your personal New Year's moment and jump into your new year completely ready for whatever is coming. You'll find a link to do that in the YouTube description below. Well, let's talk about career first. There's a really full gathering of planets in your 10th house in the first week of February, particularly. After that, planets are going to move on into your 11th house. But just suffice it to say that the month begins with a big emphasis on career, with Venus there and Mars there, and while Venus is in your 10th house, that can really improve your business relationships, your connections with everybody that you have to relate with in your career, such as the people above you, to the side of you, below you, or people that you meet in consultations. And Venus really supports those relationships from her position in the 10th house. And then I want to let you know that after the 11th house, your 11th house starts filling up, those 10th house planets are going to move on into your 11th house. And so the second half of the month is a really good time to work on building the capital of your business, which is to say, the people that follow you. So if you have in mind any form of rolling out like a social media marketing campaign, or newsletters to your list, or great content for your followers, the second half of the month is a really good time to do that. And that also spills over into March. So, Julia, I know you've got more news about Venus. She's doing great career things, but also some great personal things, I think, this month. Yeah.
Yes, definitely. So Venus is the relationship planet. She also rules your seventh house of relationships. So definitely for you, Aries. Venus is very important. She's going to be trining the marriage asteroid Juno between February 5th and 9th. This is a really nice time for feeling like your relationship needs and your long-term marriage needs are really nicely aligned. And this is happening between the 11th and 6th house. Very good for business relationships too, by the way, especially if you're going into business with a friend. That could really work out, or business with your partner too, doing some type of work together. Now, Juno retrograde in the 6th house until April this year, it does mean that there is some long-term relationship review going on, especially with 6th house matters. Maybe you're wondering if one or the other in the relationship is doing too much work, and it could be coming from you or it could be coming from them. And if there is an asymmetry in that, I definitely think it needs to be examined and worked out. Now, when it comes to finance, on February 7th, Ceres is going to be entering your 10th house. She is the money asteroid. She's there till December. And Jupiter, the luck planet, in the second house of money until May. So what this means is, especially while Jupiter is in the money house till May, really good time to try to expand your business in some way to be getting more money. Whether that means asking for a promotion, whether that means developing some new business strategies, selling new products to try to earn some more income. I really like having these two in between the 10th and the 2nd for getting more money through your business. So definitely try to think of ways to strategize around that. Well, that's all we have for you today. And if you enjoyed this horoscope, please do hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tell your friends about us.
Find our site at pandoraastrology.com to get a reading with one of us, and find us on Patreon for workshops and classes. And we'll see you around the cosmos.
Bye-bye.